Hello everyone, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today I wanted to show you guys some slow motion footage from the Apeman A79. I was testing out the slow motion feature today, and this footage was shot at 1080 by 60 frames per second. But my video editor software did tell me that it was actually 1080 by 24 frames per second. So I don't know, which one is right. But in any case, this was from the camera. It said it was 1080 by 60p. And so this is the footage. I will try to do the 720 by 480 at some point, but I figured this would be the more popular one. People would want to know how it was. And what a thing. Oh, the other thing is I had the camera set up so that it would write the image when the camera was actually upside down when I shot the footage, because I had it on the end of a selfie stick that I was hanging in front of the, like in front of the dogs as we walked. So the camera automatically rotates the footage in camera, and then when you bring it in to edit, it's already right side up. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you when I can. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.